Live from Vegas, son, to be the illest one, representing NY to the fullest. Videos, I shoot them. What's good, everybody? It's your boy, Billionaire, philanthropist, Baron.Von.Lockhart, coming at y'all live and direct. Today, y'all tuning in to For What It's Worth, where we bringing the flies to the flies, the nicest streetwear gear, you know what I'm saying, just clothes in general, and sneakers, of course. We just do all the nicest, and the flies to the flyers. On that note today, we got a t-shirt by a company from an individual who's one of the dopest producers. Definitely dope rappers, put out plenty of classics, and his clothing brand stood the test of time, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to this whole streetwear game. That's none other than Pharrell's Billionaire Boys Club clothing line. And we got a t-shirt today. Boop. Desert Camo is the official colorway. It's a Desert Camo helmet t-shirt. It looks really good. It's desert with like solar red / like a hot lava infrared kind of red on it. The camera's not going to do a good job to pick up how nice this is, but nonetheless, believe me when I say this is nice. Like the actual t-shirt, it's not even on BBC Pause anymore, their website, but I got one of the pairs. It's a medium, so hopefully whoever ends up winning this, you wear a medium. If you don't, you already know the drill. Pass it on, sell it, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Just spread the good love, because that's what we do over here. We spread love, baby. That's what it's about. So it can be worn, most likely. If I was to wear it, I had it in an XL, which they didn't have on the website. So whoever gets this, you know, I don't even got it. Wish I did. Nonetheless, that's the story for another time. But I'd rock it with probably. I mean, you can get away with some basic Air Force Ones if you want to, some black Tims, whatever you want to do with it. But if you really want to spice it up a little bit, get a little spicy with it, I would say definitely a pair of Air Max 90s. Or the 95s, honestly, because they have like a solar red colorway, hot lava colorway with 90s and 95s. So this would go nice with it, to be honest. But nonetheless, also, I mean, BBC, like their whole clothing line, it's stood the test of time. Like I said, it's been around since like the early 2000s for the most part. So, and they constantly show different looks, whether it be their iconic helmet with the astronaut head on it or the whole astronaut, to like some of their rugbies. Like they just do a lot of different good looks. Definitely worth the time of getting. And basically, so if you haven't seen the first video that I did before, which I think the dry fit shorts are still available, at some point during the video, I'll say a certain thing. I'll say, and I quote, to say whatever it is. If you email me your name, address, where you need me to send this to, this could be yours, along with like those dry fit shorts in my other video, because I don't think anybody got those yet either. So check that out. Let me know what's good. So on that note, and I quote, you might win some, but you just lost one. End quote. You might win some, but you just lost one. You already know that's the quote. You might win some, but you just lost one. So email me that quote. Let me know what you comment in the comment box below about what you think about this shirt, and just get at me later on. At the end of the day, it's your boy, Billionaire philanthropist, Baron.Von.Lockhart. Hope y'all have a great day. Love, peace, and happiness. Let's get it. And I'll catch y'all later.